This little, I think 10 by 12 shed I've had for quite a while. This is where I do all my woodworking stuff, little projects. Pretty much got everything I need in this little tiny shed. I did insulate it and put some dust collection in. It's small, but it's feasible, and I've done a ton of little projects in here. So next we'll head back to the saw. Built this building last year, year before, a couple years ago now. But this is my sawmill. I have a LM29 version 2. I've had it for a few years, had very little issues with it. It's pretty much a manual sawmill, but it works great for what I do. I'm not in the commercial lumber business, although I do cut a lot. Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Yesterday we went over a little bit of a tour of the shed and the sawmill. I ended up cutting a few logs yesterday, so without further ado, we'll check out how the sawmill worked and see some nice 2x6s that came out of it. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the sawmill or anything, let me know. Thanks for watching.